Ops, wait lang. Huwag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre, magbibigay natin ang ating word of the day. At sagutin natin ang katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, is an act or omission punishable by revised penal code? So ang ating katanungan po ay napakaikli lang. Pero alam niyo ba class na ito ay paborito sa board examination at hindi ito talaga nawawala, no? At napaka-specific ng ating katanungan. Ang sabi dito, yun daw yung mga act daw or omission na which is punishable sa ating revised penal code. O it means yung mga krimen po na under sa ating revised penal code is ano ba yung tawag natin doon? Like for example, yung ating mga murder, homicide, mga physical injury na nakasaad doon sa ating revised penal code. Ano ba tawag natin doon? Okay, letter A, felony. Letter B, crime. Letter C, offense. Letter D, infraction. So, tandaan natin, class, yung crime natin is generic yan. Okay? Yung ating letter A, yung letter C, tsaka letter D, yung felony natin, yung infraction, tsaka offense natin, pwede natin tawagin crime yan. Kasi yung crime natin is an act or omission punishable by any law. Ibig sabihin, punishable siya daw ng kahit anong batas. Ma-revised penal code man yan, ma-special laws man yan, ma-ordinances man yan, pwede natin tawagin crime kasi generic nga yung crime natin. Okay? Tandaan lang natin class, sasagutan natin si crime kapag ang tinatanong po sa atin for exam purposes, ang itatanong po sa atin kadalasan is an act omitted or committed in violation of public laws forbidding or commanding it. That is specifically crime po ang ibig sabihin nun. Pero pag isasagot naman natin yung offense kapag ang tinanong po sa atin is an act or omission punishable by special laws, specifically mga special penal laws po natin, offense po tawag doon. Like for example, yung ating drugs, that is considered offense po yan. It's because punishable by special laws po yan or special penal laws po natin. And syempre, hindi naman po siya dumaan sa revised penal code. That is considered offense. Pero pag tinatanong po sa atin is an act or omission punishable by municipal or city ordinances, that is infraction naman po tawag natin doon. Okay, so ulitin po natin ang ating pong is an act or omission punishable by revised penal code. Specifically, it is referring to felony po yan. And the correct answer po natin is alpha, yung felony. Tandaan po natin, punishable by revised penal code is felony. Punishable by special laws or special penal laws, offense. Punishable po siya ng city or municipal ordinances is infraction. Kasi yung ating pong crime is generic po talaga yan. Is an act omitted or omitted in violation of public laws forbidding or commanding it. Okay? So sana nakatulong sa inyo at syempre ito pa din ang inyong lingkod, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel de Master Schumann, Villa Easter Villa Carlos, CBRC National Tour and a registered criminal justice. Sasabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa examination, kailangan natin ang baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulat, and share sa ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag, at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you.